gain complete visibility of your Linux devices, from software to hardware, in just a few commands. To download the Linux Agent, navigate to Dashboard, deploy ITAM Agent. Go to Linux, Agent Deployment. Download the .zip file for your distribution, Ubuntu or Debian. Unzip the downloaded file, extract, and move into the Agent folder. Review the contents. You should see install.ch, installer script agent.tar.gz, agent package. Tooltip, grant execution rights to the script. Now, run the installer. Replace tag and server with values by going to Settings, Company Settings and Add-ons, ITAM Discovery Agent, and then tag. Make sure both files, install.sh and agent.tar.gz, are in the same folder. Installation is now complete. Your Linux device will appear in your AssetSonar dashboard within a few minutes. That's it. You've deployed the EZO AssetSonar ITAM Agent on Linux. Track software, hardware, and security data, all from one place.